When you think of Italy, what comes to your mind? Great food? Picturesque landscapes? Ancient monuments? Maybe beautiful art or inspiring music? How about some of the fastest sports cars in the world? Sounds like an incredible place to visit, right? Well, there's another side to Italy, one that most never see. Today I invite you to take another look, not through the eyes of a tourist, but through the eyes of God. Contrary to popular opinion, Italy is actually a mission field. It has been Christianized, but it has never been evangelized. It's time to wake up Italy. Of Italy's estimated 60 million inhabitants, 95% identify themselves as Catholics, but only 5% actually attend Mass regularly. Unfortunately, religion is more tradition and convenience than a life-changing choice. Today in Italy, even the veneer of religion is being worn away by ever-increasing secularism and materialism. This leaves millions searching for answers about life. Instead of relying on a personal relationship with a loving Savior, many turn to the occult. Last year alone, Italians spent over $8.5 billion consulting with psychics and clairvoyants for advice. Those who are still searching in Italy for an authentic community of believers will have to look very hard. Of Italy's 33,500 cities, only 1,500 have an evangelical church. That's considering evangelical churches of any denomination. 32,000 cities still have no church. With so few churches, is there any wonder why many in Italy have completely turned away from God?